Hello guys, so if you're looking to make your friend list completely private on Facebook, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly open Facebook, then click on the three lines at the top right, then scroll down, click on settings and privacy, then again click on settings, click on privacy checkup, then click on who can see what you share. Now click on continue. Now just simply scroll down and over here you will find friends and following. So the first option is who can see a friend list on your profile. So click on the drop down option over here, and then over here you can choose whatever option you want, like public, friend, friend accept, meaning everyone beside few friends that you don't want to allow to see the friend list, specific friends to see your friend list, or just simply only me, meaning no one will able to see your friend list, not even your friends. So choose whichever option you want. Again, do the same thing with the second option, which is who can see the people page and list you follow. So click on the drop box and choose the option that you want. So after choosing the option, just simply hit next, again next, and again next. And in the end, just simply click on review on the topic. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.